Hello again, folks. This is William Featherston on Facebook, and also known as Citizen23606 on YouTube. What we have here today, also going to be putting in this battery. The old battery in the truck, well, it was like 6 years old. I'm surprised it lasted that long. But I just got this battery the other day. So we're going to put her in. Make sure she's in good and secure. Fuck. Do not try this at home, folks. Alright, black wire is negative, just a negative terminal right here, positive for red wire. You can probably see we're just getting started. So right, I'm going to put this right here. Hopefully it's something in your eyes. One thing you always want to do when you're hooking up anything electrical is be the fuck, just be careful. Okay, we're going to connect the positive wire first. Key is off and the keys are not in the ignition. So we're going to screw this on here like so. Just get it nice and tight down there. Alright, now we're going to plug in this, screw in this thing. You want to be very careful when doing this. Because if you have a short, kiss your ass goodbye. The reason you screw in negative last is because if you have a short circuit, you'll know it. Also, if you feel any hairs on you sticking straight up, stop what you're doing immediately, because you're about to get the fucking one hell of a shock. Okay, now we got that taken care of. And that's basically all there is to it, folks. So you can see, you know, negative to negative, positive to positive, making sure the wires are they're good, which they are. Now what we're going to do, being this thing hasn't been started up in a while, we're going to have to probably put some starter fluid in her. And we may need my dad out here to help. So, first things first, we gotta get some shit out of our way. Which Nothing leaking. So basically, like I said, damn, these keys feel so small compared to the key to the Freightliner I was driving. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pull the choke all the way out, same as a manual choke, and going to remove the air cleaner. As you can see, it's connected to something. Well, first we're going to use starter fluid. So what this is, folks, is basically highly flammable. It's what's known as ether. So mainly ether. Please be careful when using this shit, because you can blow yourself up very easily. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, you can smell that ether right now. That's not good. Well, we'll see in a minute if I go boom. You may learn something here in a minute, folks. Don't play with ether. We may have to do 2 parts to this video, folks. Yeah, I'm going to prime the gas pedal 3 times. Alright, we're going to take her easy on this thing. As you can see, it hasn't started in a while. So we're just going to let it run basically for a little bit. I was like, well, my fan belt's a little loose, one of them. The one behind one of the alternators. Take it to the side so you can see it. Yeah, something's making a weird noise I don't like the sound of. We're going to let it keep running.